Hello dear viewers, that you can see a phone in my hand. This phone is Helio 15. Now today I show you how to enable VoLTE network and run only 4G plus network in this phone. If you want to enable VoLTE network and run only 4G plus network in this phone, at first you put the SIM card on your phone, and when your phone SIM card is ready to use, go to settings, and when go settings you can see many options from here, and scroll down. You can see an option called network and internet. Go to network and internet. When go network and internet, you can see an option called mobile networks. Then you have to go to this option called mobile network. And when go mobile network, you can see an option called 4G calling and preferred network type. If you want to enable your phone 4G plus network and enable VoLTE network service, at first you go to preferred network type. When you go preferred network type, you just select the text 4G, 2G, 3G auto. And when you select the text, you can see an option called 4G calling. You just turn it on this option called 4G calling and enable your phone carrier video calling and 4G calling service and run only 4G plus network. So if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.